Hey guys, welcome to my channel where if you know, you can grow. So let's erase our doubt and let's pay attention because with Sean, there's always something to learn. What's going on tonight, guys? Felt weird saying that. Usually it's what's going on today, guys. So Cissus Discolor is not in that good of a shape. This is a plant that has to stay moist all the time, and I struggle with it so much. The humidity, it has to be just perfect. So with this Cissus Discolor, it dried all the way out, so I'm getting it back. But since I have these veins, well not veins, these vines that are so long, I'm thinking about pulling these all the way, pull as much as I can down and actually do the repot. Because this is the thing, this wood stake that they were supposed to be growing on, it's non-existent anyway. So I could really just take this on out. And then these that I have, I could just repot them in there because it's a better chance for even more to start coming if I do that. So that's what we're going to do. All right, guys. So if you're a fan of this unique and eye-catching plant, this is a Cissus Discolor. It is a natural climber. It has striking, colorful foliage. It's temperature sensitive. It has highlight, and of course, it's an air purifying powerhouse. So with that being said, is you definitely want to give something for it to be able to attach to and to be able to climb out in the woods. Of course, it will have trees too. We're talking about the color. It's just nothing like it. It's also known as a Rex Begonia. And if you just flip that leaf over, you'll see that purple color. I don't know if you can kind of see it with that light going on, but it's just freaking amazing. Now, the part that really blows me is that it is temperature sensitive. I mean, as much as I love this plant, it does not work without the right amount of humidity, and it needs its water in there. So just keep that in mind. It needs a lot of light in order for it to produce the colors that it does. If you're not giving enough light, it will try to find enough light. But my suggestion is to definitely give it a grow light. And of course, as with most plants, it's a air purifying powerhouse. The more plants you have, the cleaner your air is going to be. And I just want to give you a tip about this propagating right quick. When you do propagate your plant, you want to make sure you lay these vines on the soil. Now, all right, guys, I am going to speed this part up because it's very boring. All we want to do is make sure our roots are stuffed inside this pot. Please be careful while you're doing this, because if we snap any of these vines right here, this whole plant at the top is completely ruined. All right, guys, so I don't get paid from this, but I still want to put you on game. Taking care of you and your plants is the whole purpose of this channel. Daddy's Peat, this stuff is really, really good. CM Farm, it has two main important points. It has a nutrients-rich blend and an improved soil structure. Basically, guys, this has everything you need from cow manure to worm castings. It has it, and it's cheap. Alright, so the hardest part of all of this was trying to get this stick to be able to lay against these vines so that way they stay against the soil and we can get some propagation started. It did not want to work with me. I thought I was going to have to get something else, but at the last minute, we came to an agreement. Me and the plant, we get each other. I have our water right here. Alright, guys, and that's a wrap. All we're doing is just watering the plant, and I'm going to seal it back up, turn the humidifier on, and keep things moving and such. If you stick around, I did ramble a little bit more, talking about a few things, but hopefully you was able to learn something. I know I did, and yeah, just stick around. Okay, guys, and this is just how the soil has treated my Brazil so far, so it's just no complaints. The day I bought it, I tried it out on them, and we've been smooth selling since. And guys, I forgot to share with you, I finally got one of my wish plants, and this is a philodendron strawberry shake. So I'm just looking at it. My micans, guys, I love mican. I really do. They're beautiful. I can't believe I let this grow past. All right, guys, and y'all know how I like to rumble. I'm just admiring my micans, although I did notice that a shoot went through behind there, so that was a discussion right there. But I go ahead and turn the humidifier on, and then I am going to go ahead and seal it up. And so like, comment, subscribe, all of that. You know, I appreciate it. And yeah, we grow with Sean. There's always something to learn.